If your heating system is malfunctioning or doesn't work as effectively as it used to, don't hurry to replace it. Sometimes a minor repair can fix the problem and let your heater run for a few more years. Why spend that money when you can actually save it for something important? We know that most companies are trying to sell you a new heating system and make a quick profit, but it requires real experience and dedication to find out the actual problem of your existing unit and fix it. And that's what we do at Hot Cold Air. Of course, you can always order a new unit, but before you do, let us have a look and see how we can help you save your hard-earned money. We stand behind our work and provide a guarantee for your peace of mind. Let's repair what you have and get your house warm again.